Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about the application of EWA and you will click here. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your